Hi, Stephen Chen, President of Joyce Chen Foods, and I'm going to talk today about the Joyce Chen 100% roasted natural sesame seed oil. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is that roasted sesame oil is not used in cooking. It's mostly used as a condiment or just the final touches of a dish to add a little nutty flavor. So you would use it like, for instance, in dressings or in dips, or just to finish it off with a stir-fried dish. I'm going to show you how to make a simple cucumber salad using the sesame oil and the soy sauce. First, we get a few nice good cucumbers, nice and crisp. We peel them, slice it in the center, use a spoon, remove the seeds, just scrape them out, then slice them, put them into a bowl, just drizzle on some soy sauce, and then some of the Joyce Chen roasted sesame oil on top of the cucumbers.